Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn rendering list in the React with the map function, right? So you can see that previously we have added the list ULLI function, right? So whenever we have to write anything, we should update that part, right? So here we are using the map function, and here we are creating a one array, and we are just mapping and pass this list, and it will show it over here, right? Okay, this is the map function, that is what we have rendering, right? So see, we have the one error in the warning in the console, that is list should have the unique key prop value. So key prop value means that it should be a unique id, it should be wrapped into a unique id, right? So I'm going to x this one, and here I'm going to create object, right? So here we have id with one name, and add potato, right? So here I'm going to add comma, and it's the first object, right? Just copy paste this. Happening. One basis is pending. Okay, that's one. Make it two. Make it two. Make it three. Make it three. Right. And here we need to add one more thing, that is e property of li. So we have to add e with the list dot id. And here we have to pass list dot name. Right. Let's reload this. Suppose that this is much more errors, right? So before you need to restart this one. If I to open this, there will be an error will be gone, right? So because whenever we wrapping anything, it should be a unique one. So if you add this one, then this error will not come, and your console is free from the error list, right? So this is how we can done the rendering list in the React with the map function. So I hope you understand how we can loop this one. You can make this dynamic, or this can be getting from, you can say you're getting it from the API or something, then we have to map this. So this is the best method that you have to do this, right? Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.